So, traders, as we are ending the month of October, and as I am about to update you guys, and as I am about to educate you guys, based on me having to expose Forex secrets that this Forex gurus, this Forex mentors, and for the most part of it, this Forex brokers don't want you to know. But because I'm the legit one and I'm the most open person, I will be sharing to you guys what you need to know so you don't stay in the learning curve for way too long, so it can be easy for you to escape it using the gems and the knowledge that I'm about to share to you guys on this video. But before we start on the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. As you guys can clearly see, a platform that we're working on, a safe and user-friendly platform, and for the most part of it, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I won't say much and I won't do much, but I've left my WhatsApp number, my Instagram link, or any source of communication tool that we both can communicate with, so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so you can go out there and capitalize independently without relying on anyone, myself included. But without further ado, let me make sure that I educate you guys, and let me make sure that I expose secrets that these mentors and gurus and brokers don't want you to know, so you can be a professional and most of all a profitable trader. So as you guys can clearly see, that this will be part 5, right? And on part 5 we're gonna be working on nasdaq. Since part 1 we've been working on nasdaq, and we are on part 5 now. We still are gonna be working on nasdaq. So the first thing that we're gonna be focusing on is that you can clearly see that your structural nasdaq gets strongly bullish. Price has been using higher highs, right, and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, and so on and so forth, right? So we now understand that we have a bullish structure and we have a bullish behavior of higher highs and higher lows, right? So understanding that with a bullish structure and a bullish behavior, all you have to focus on in order for you to put your money to work within that trading structure or setup, understand that you need to focus on how is price looking and what is price doing and what is price going to do based on what price is doing and what happened, right? So let me share to you guys what do I technically mean based on what I'm sharing to you guys. So understanding that on nasdaq, we now understood that price had this push to the upside, giving us this all-time high, right? So from this all-time high that prices gave us or printed out so from this push of a all-time high being printed out, we understood that from every higher high, price needs to give us a higher low or a pullback or an exhaustion phase before we can look for a continuation of a higher high, right? So from a higher high formation, price had a push, giving us a higher low formation. So from this higher low formation, price gave us bullish momentum or bullish candlesticks, and indicating to us that there's a high possibility of a continuation to the upside. And when you look at it, price did give us a continuation to the upside. But the important part into what I'm about to share to you guys on this video today, it's based on the core foundations or the candlesticks and the trading sessions that we used in order for us to capitalize or look for those continuations of possible new all-time highs on nasdaq. So let's start on this one. We now got the picture that price is a higher high and price is a higher low. But in order for us to understand that we're looking for continuations to the upside, price has to close above our higher high in order for us to look for those moves to the upside of new possible higher highs, right? So understanding that price gave us a higher low formation, which was like pre-London session, right? Like 7 a.m., 8 a.m., right? We now can clearly see that from 8 a.m., from 7 a.m., price gave us a indecision candlestick and then gave us a bullish candlestick, which flipped from a bear to a bullish candlestick. And from 9 a.m., price closed bullish. 10 a.m., price still closed bullish. 11 a.m., price still closed bullish. And once we hit 1200 p.m., which was now us approaching our NY session, which is our pre-NY session, the 1200 p.m. candlestick was a 4-hour candlestick that gave us a close above our higher high, right? So I need you guys to understand two things. The 4-hour candlestick closed above our higher high, and the hourly candlestick of 1200 p.m. was our pre-NY session candlestick. Do you understand? The 4-hour candlestick gave us confirmation, and the hourly time frame and the hourly candlestick indicated to us that the coming session might look for those moves to the upside. So as you can clearly see that about 12:00 p.m. candlestick gave us a close above our zone. The coming candlestick, which was on 1300 p.m., which is our pre-NY session, 2 hours before our pre-session, right? 2 hours before our NYSE session, right? We understood that with a 12:00 p.m. candlestick from a 4-hour candlestick close above our higher high and a 12:00 p.m. candlestick close above our higher high, then all we're going to be focusing on is to wait for candlesticks, the hourly candlestick, the coming candlestick, which was on 1300 p.m., to give us momentum that will indicate to us that based on the 4-hour candlestick closing above and based on the bullish momentum ahead of our NYSE session candlestick, ahead of our NYSE, all we need to focus on is for those moves to the upside, so we can possibly look for those new all-time highs, because we understood, one, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, and we have a higher low, and we have a 4-hour candlestick closing above our higher high, with our NYSE, with our pre-NYSE candlestick giving us bullish momentum above our higher high. Then that's when we indicated or anticipated a possible move to the upside of possible new all-time highs. And when you can clearly look at it, price played out as we have anticipated until price hit our TP. So as you guys can clearly understand that in trading, it's all not based on what kind of a setup are you taking, how much risk are you taking, are you willing to risk, or what's your AI robot telling you to do before you can do it. Trading technically needs you to use your technical analysis, falling into your fundamentals. But in this instance, we used zero fundamentals. We strictly stick to our technicals, and our technicals are based on those 5 core foundations. 1, price has a bullish structure. 2, price has a bullish behavior. 3, price at a higher high and a higher low. 4, price gave us a break above our higher high. And 5, price gave us momentum above our higher high, looking for possible new all-time highs. And with that being said, there's nothing else that you might look for, or there's nothing else that you might need to focus on, and just execute your trade and let the markets play out as you have anticipated as a trader. But as I have shared this knowledge and I have exposed secrets that these traders don't want you to know, I ask that you go out there and capitalize with it independently without relying on anyone. But if you feel like you still need assistance based on what I've just shared, then you might take my number down there, and I will come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge, so I can unleash a beginner, which will be a professional, and an unprofitable to a profitable trader within those coming 2 days, only if you're willing to put in the work and put your head down so you can remain consistent. But without further ado, thank you guys for the support, thank you guys for the liking, thank you guys for the subscriptions, and thank you guys for the numbers that you guys are putting within our COT Academy page. All I ask of you, like on the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, leave a comment on the video, and for the most part of it, if you want to use a trading platform that I'm working on, then you're going to take that link on my description and sign up to QuickTrade, so you can use that user-friendly platform, invest, trade, and withdraw safe without relying on anyone. But without further ado, that's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.